Forget what you know about rice and peas. This is the real Jamaican flavor they don't tell you about. Simple ingredients, rich flavors. Let's make some real Jamaican rice and peas right here outdoors. Put a little kerosene oil on it. Make that rest this one. So I'll get some from this. Yeah. I'll light him up. Yeah, man. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, so the rice and peas and them thing that I cook, you know. Yeah, man, wood fire. But we are going to pressure the peas in the pressure cooker right now because we want to make sure that this peas nice and soft. We don't want to bite up no stone in the remote and them thing. You see? Yeah, man, so just go and watch. See what's going on, you know? You see that? Yeah, man. We're going to add the coconut water to the rice and peas same way. Yeah. Forget a knife, you know, for you. Take out this. Give me a knife here real quick, please. Crack this in one next half. Yeah, man, this is making rice and peas the real way, the real Jamaican way, authentic style, yardman style. Yeah, so without the dry coconut tonight, it's not the real way. Trust me. Yeah, man, if you've never had it like this, guys, you definitely need to try it out. Especially with the wood fire, that's gonna add a nice flavor to the rice and peas same way. Yeah, so after I finish, take out the coconut out of the actual coconut shell. We go blend it up with its natural juice, some water, and then get that coconut milk, strain it off, and then we'll add it to the rice and peas and everything. There's it. Yeah, man, so just continue to watch the video, guys. Don't go nowhere. And don't forget to like up the video, subscribe, and share the video. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright. Clean up this right there, so. There'll be an ants go there, so later I'm gonna clean it up. I will set them aside for later. Yeah, man, so we'll cut them up real quick and then drop them in the blender, blend it up, and then drop it in the pot. So I put on the water and put on some water for me. Get some water in the pipe, in the pot, please. Yeah. Now turn on the water in the fire, you know. Here? Mm-hmm. You tired? Poor thing, oh my God.
Real country girl.
Real country girl, eh? So the peas are already in a pot. See it there? Peas are already in them, man. Nice and soft. Drop in the coconut milk. Fresh coconut milk, you know. We have some Scotch bonnet pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, ginger, some onion, and some dry thyme. Drop it in the same way. Mix it up. Yeah, man. And now we go add in the rice. Hurry up and come with the rice, Deandra. I pick the rice. Oh God, it's hot. That's a lot of hot. Alright, so just go lock it down and make it go and simmer. Yeah, man, rice will cook 20-30 minutes time the rice ready. Yeah. Check on the rice, you know. Alright, see it there? Lock him back down. Yeah, man. And that's how you make some real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Is me I say from my kitchen to your kitchen. Big up on yourself. Until next time, I'm out.